Okay guys, so we are back with another unrequested fashion vlog. Alam kong walang may nag-request nito pero pinopost ko pa rin. Anyway, so for today, I'm wearing Polo Lauren shirt and then the skirt is from COS because it costs a lot. Actually, this is skirt. It's a combination of skirt and a short. Very confusing pero hayaan na natin. Tapos don't forget to zip your zipper kasi you don't want to show your pechay. Anyway, so normally yung Polo Lauren is may logo ng parang horse pero kambing lang yung afford natin for today. And then make sure to put a belt on it para medyo social ng konti. Parang kunyari like may mission ka sa buhay. Tapos don't forget shoes. Same shoes pa rin tayo kasi hindi pa natin afford bumili ng bago. Tapos ayos-ayos ng buhok, kunyari, maganda. Tapos dagdag natin yung bag, ayan, pa-cute ng konti. Hindi ko pa nga alam kung saan ilalagay, left or right. But hayaan na natin. Anyway, so lagay-lagay ng kamay sa bulsa, kunyari may pera sa loob, wala naman. Okay, and then ayan, post ng konti. Tapos walk away. Tapos bumalik ulit. Hindi ko talaga alam yung ginagawa ko. Medyo confused ako, pero hayaan mo na. Okay, sige, bye!